In this video, you'll learn how to gain flexibility and autonomy for your retirement investing by using a self-directed IRA with Checkbook Control. If you're looking to diversify your retirement portfolio beyond Wall Street products and choose alternative assets that interest you, a self-directed IRA with Checkbook Control, also known as a checkbook IRA, could be the ideal solution. While standard IRAs typically limit you to Wall Street investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, self-directed IRAs open the door to alternative assets such as real estate, private businesses, and more. Checkbook Control is a self-directed IRA feature that gives you the ability to act on investment decisions quickly. Setting up a checkbook IRA involves establishing either an IRA LLC or IRA Trust, which will be owned by your self-directed IRA. You will then open a checking account in the name of the LLC or trust. With a checkbook IRA in place, you can write checks or send wires directly from your dedicated checking account. For those who value control over their financial future, this setup allows you to directly manage your investments, apply your knowledge and critical thinking, and take responsibility for the success of your retirement portfolio. This level of autonomy is especially appealing to investors who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their finances. At Broad Financial, we take pride in streamlining the checkbook IRA setup process alongside our sister company and self-directed IRA custodian, Madison Trust. Ready to get started? Call us today. Like, comment, or subscribe for more videos.